Amazon's Tanino is a new advanced hair straightening technology without formaldehyde and its derivatives. Tanino provides deep hydration, discipline, extreme shine, absolute smoothness for up to 2 months. The special ingredient tannin plays an active role. Tannins are obtained from the tropical tree Tamarindus. Tannins are useful in many ways. They heal, moisturize, and protect hair. No formaldehyde, no smell, no harmful components, very easy to use. Tannins penetrate deep into the hair, nourish it, and then form bonds with proteins. As a result, the hair is regenerated and straightened. Amazon's Tanino is perfect choice for the people who had never used keratin treatment. How to apply Tanino? Apply to damp hair over the entire length of the hair. Leave on for 30–40 minutes. Partially rinse the hair and leave enough product on for the next step. Blow dry the hair with a brush. Enjoy the results. If you feel that your hair is not straight enough, there is an optional final step that you can take. Run the straightening iron from roots to ends 1 to 4 times. The temperature of the straightening iron should be between 119 and 213 degrees.